this video, we will show you how to solder effectively and safely. Some examples of some items you may want to solder together is an LED to a metal wire so they have an electrical current between them. In this video, we will be showing you how to solder an LED to a circuit board. One very important step is to always be safe while soldering. Never inhale the fumes and always wear goggles. Inhaling the fumes can cause lead poisoning. Get your items ready and clip them in to the clips, as this will stabilize your items when you are soldering later on. This is essential if you do not have a partner to solder with. Next, plug in the soldering iron. Now, turn it on and turn it up to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, get your items ready. Now, add a little bit of solder to the soldering iron, as solder works best with solder. Remember, when soldering, do not inhale the fumes. Oh no, it seems as though you have done it wrong. Get your solder removing tool ready. Now, remelt the solder. As you will see in the next section of the video, we press down the spring button to load the tool, and then press the circular button on the side to take off the solder. Now you are done soldering. Put the soldering iron back into the holder and unplug. Congratulations, you have now learned how to solder. Thank you for watching and have a good day.